Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the adult snorkel from the company Blue Island. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings just to remember things I've bought in the past. And in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item, they can get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, its quality like, etc. Now there's not a whole lot to show you on this video because it is a snorkel. The box is just a regular cardboard box. Take a look at what we've got here. Now I mentioned that this is an adult snorkel. I've got another one of these from the same company, except it's a full-size snorkel. It goes over the whole head, and my kids love it. So you get a little instruction pamphlet. The snorkel goggles. They are tempered glass, anti-fog tempered glass. There's a sticker on them that says that up there. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see that. Very cool. Adjustable strap, pretty common to any other snorkel. Everything is packaged really well, and it's really soft. Some of these things you get, they're so stiff you can't bend them or anything. This one is not the case. So hopefully you're going to be able to see that okay. It's designed so it keeps water and splashing out of your snorkel. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.